Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
I brush my teeth in the morning.
I brush my teeth in the morning.
I wash my face with water.
I wash my face with water.
I make my bed after waking up.
I make my bed after waking up.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
I carry my school bag.
I carry my school bag.
I like learning new things.
I like learning new things.
My teacher is very kind.
My teacher is very kind.
I sit in the classroom.
I sit in the classroom.
I listen carefully to lessons.
I listen carefully to lessons.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I read English books.
I read English books.
I enjoy studying English.
I enjoy studying English.
I have many friends.
I have many friends.
We play together at school.
We play together at school.
I help my classmates.
I help my classmates.
I answer questions in class.
I answer questions in class.
I learn something new daily.
I learn something new daily.
The sun rises in the east.
The sun rises in the east.
Birds fly in the sky.
Birds fly in the sky.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
I like sunny days.
I like sunny days.
It is raining outside.
It is raining outside.
I carry an umbrella.
I carry an umbrella.
The wind is blowing gently.
The wind is blowing gently.
The flowers look beautiful.
The flowers look beautiful.
Trees give us fresh air.
Trees give us fresh air.
I enjoy nature.
I enjoy nature.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
I wear clean clothes.
I wear clean clothes.
I keep my room tidy.
I keep my room tidy.
I put my books on the shelf.
I put my books on the shelf.
I respect my parents.
I respect my parents.
I love my family.
I love my family.
My mother cooks delicious food.
My mother cooks delicious food.
My father works hard.
My father works hard.
I help at home.
I help at home.
We eat dinner together.
We eat dinner together.
I drink milk every day.
I drink milk every day.
Fruits are good for health.
Fruits are good for health.
I like eating apples.
I like eating apples.
Vegetables help us grow strong.
Vegetables help us grow strong.
Water keeps us healthy.
Water keeps us healthy.
I wash my hands before meals.
I wash my hands before meals.
I exercise every morning.
I exercise every morning.
Walking is good exercise.
Walking is good exercise.
I like playing football.
I like playing football.
Sports keep us active.
Sports keep us active.
I enjoy listening to music.
I enjoy listening to music.
I watch educational videos.
I watch educational videos.
I learn from my mistakes.
I learn from my mistakes.
Practice makes me better.
Practice makes me better.
I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently.
I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
I learn new words daily.
I learn new words daily.
Reading improves my vocabulary.
Reading improves my vocabulary.
Writing improves my skills.
Writing improves my skills.
I enjoy English conversations.
I enjoy English conversations.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I stay positive.
I stay positive.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
Kindness makes people happy.
Kindness makes people happy.
I respect all people.
I respect all people.
Honesty is a good habit.
Honesty is a good habit.
Books are our friends.
Books are our friends.
I study regularly.
I study regularly.
I complete my homework.
I complete my homework.
Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
I love animals.
I love animals.
Fish live in water.
Fish live in water.
Nature is amazing.
Nature is amazing.
Recycling helps the planet.
Recycling helps the planet.
Fresh air feels wonderful.
Fresh air feels wonderful.
I like visiting parks.
I liked visiting parks.
I laugh with my friends.
I laugh with my friends.
I set goals for myself.
I set goals for myself.
I manage my time wisely.
I manage my time wisely.
I enjoy helping others.
I enjoy helping others.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Friendship is precious.
Friendship is precious.
I respect different opinions.
I respect different opinions.
Teamwork makes tasks easier.
Teamwork makes tasks easier.
I improve little by little.
I improve little by little.
Every sentence teaches something.
Every sentence teaches something.
I enjoy this learning journey.
I enjoy this learning journey.
I become better every day.
I become better every day.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.